All right, if you've been following my fun journey, I tried the Reese's Oreo cookies. I've tried the Reese's Oreo peanut butter cups, and now I'm trying the Reese's Oreo peanut butter cup blizzard. So let's give this bad boy a taste. I'm doing this in my car today, so excuse the less than excellent filmmaking skills I got going on here. But here we go. Let's give this a try. That's good. Better make sure. Try it again. Make sure it's still good. Yeah, I could do that. Got a little bit of peanut butter. I think I need some more Reese's in there. Reese's. I've been corrected. Yeah, I like that. Still prefer my M&M with extra M&Ms, but this is pretty good. I'm going to go enjoy it and go pick up the Chipotle for my wife's lunch. So check out this magic. I put the phone in my phone holder and it's perfect for filming. I like that. So I can continue with the Reese's review here. So as soon as you bite it, you can taste the Reese's immediately. And then the Oreo comes after. I would like more chunks. I mean, there's a couple, every once in a while you get an Oreo bite or a Reese's bite, but I like mine more chunky with cookies and candy. But the flavor's good, and I think I might get it again. But like I said, can't beat out on the M&Ms. Maybe if I did this again, I'd do it with more chunks. You know, order extra. There's a chunk. That's a nice big one. Let's see what that tastes like. That's how it needs to be. Every bite needs to be like that. Okay, I know. You're jealous. You want to go out. Ooh, more chunks. And get your own. I encourage you to do so. You only live twice.